Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. In today's video, I will show you two secret tricks to hide your private files or folders in any Android phone. No paid app, no root, just simple, safe and powerful method. So watch this video till the end because both tricks are super useful. Let's get started. Trick number 1, hide folder method. Dot trick. Step 1, open your file manager. Step 2, find the folder you want to hide or create a new one. Step 2, tap rename and just add a dot before the folder name. Example, change my photo dot my photos. Step 4, that's it. The folder is now hidden and won't appear in your gallery or file list. To view it again, open File Manager, Settings and turn on Show Hidden Files. Simple and effective. Trick number 2, save folder Google Files app. Step 1, open Google File app on your phone. Tap on Browse tab. Tap the Browse tab at the bottom. Step 3, scroll down and tap Save folder. Step 4, tap Setup and create a pin or pattern log. Step 5, now go back to your files, select any photos, videos or documents you want to hide. Step 6, tap Move to Save folder. Done. Those files are now completely locked and invisible. Even if someone opens your phone, they cannot find them without your PIN. To open your hidden files again, open Google Files, save folder, enter PIN and your secret data appears safely. Pro tips, don't forget your PIN. If you lose it, you will lose access to your files too. So these were the two best tricks to hide your folder and protect your privacy in Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JK Future Tech for more smart Android and tech tips everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay secure and see you in the next video.